Former President Olusegun Obasanjo, the chairman of the occasion, Your Eminence Adabaka III, our guest speaker and his lovely wife, President of the ECOWAS Commission here, Excellency Vice President Sambo, Royal Fathers President, let me stand the existing protocol. It gives me personally a great honor for me to be here, to be invited to make a goodwill message in part of the celebration of our great father. I remember for me, in those many years ago, as a young boy, who my only closeness to the celebrant today was being invited to children's party in Dodam Barracks many years ago, when I was still much younger in shorts and shirts. To have this occasion here to celebrate you, what you have done for this great country, I congratulate you, sir. I congratulate you. As we congratulate you, we thank the Almighty God for protecting you. We of our generation continue to be indebted to you for your wisdom, courage, and your commitment to the united Nigeria and the oneness of this country. It is our foundation that you've laid that has made it possible for this country to be able to stay together at these trying times. As President Obasanjo said, it is not your celebration. It's a celebration of our great nation for a great man, for what you've been able to do. We continue to believe and live by what you've left behind and what you continuously as the president of this country to do our best, as a great speaker said, and make Nigeria as great as it should be. But today is for us to celebrate you. Thank you, sir, for what you've done for this country. Thank you for the sacrifice you made for this country. And thank you for the humility that you've done and you've had for this country. But as you look so young, you need to tell us what it is so that we can continue. As part of the thing we're going to export, maybe it's something we can export from Plateau to the world. But more importantly, maybe thank our mother who brought grace and finesse and style way back in those days to the kind of Christmas parties and parties you used to have, end-of-year parties. You're still looking as graceful as ever. I thank God for your lives. Thank you so much. We thank you on behalf of our generation for what you've done for this country. God bless. Congratulations.